Now the next is admission of a partner. In the admission of a partner is the question in the exams are like this for the calculation of hidden goodwill. In these type of problem, the capital of all the partners are given, so we have to find out the goodwill. In the question, Anil and Vinod are partner in the ratio of 2:1 and their capital 60,000 and 40,000. Vijay admitted for 1/4 share and his capital contribution is 50,000. And the question is, we have to calculate the goodwill. In these type of problem, first of all, we have to find out the total capital of the firm. The total capital of the firm will be on the basis of Vijay's capital. Vijay brings 50,000 for 1/4 share. Firm's capital will be 2 lakh. Firm's capital will be on the basis of Ajay's capital will be, first of all we would find out the firm's capital. Firm's capital will be 50,000 reciprocal 4/1 2 lakh. It is the total capital of the firm. Actual capital of partner, actual capital of Anil, Vinod, Vijay. Actual capital is 60,000, 40,000 and 50,000. It is 1,50,000. And the total capital of the firm is, which we calculated 2 lakh, but the actual capital is 1,50,000. The difference between the total capital and the actual capital of the firm will be the value of goodwill. Goodwill will be total capital minus actual capital, means 2 lakh minus 1,50,000. 50,000. 50,000 is the goodwill of the firm. And in the question, it can also be asked, what is the goodwill of Vijay? Vijay's goodwill will be 1/4 of 50,000, which will be 12,500. Suppose in the question it is given that calculate the Vijay's goodwill, so it will be 50,000 into 1/4, which will be 12,500. Now the theory question, what is meant by goodwill? And the answer will be, goodwill is the probability of the business which restore the old customers and attract the new customers. Or we can say, goodwill is the reputation of the firm through which a business firm earn excess profit compared to others in the same field. By this way, we will calculate goodwill. In the some question of hidden goodwill, this is the case of hidden goodwill. In the some question, if the general reserve is also given, suppose in the same question, general reserve is given. Here we show the general reserve. Suppose the general reserve is 20,000. Suppose in the same question, general reserve we added 20,000. What we will do, 1,50,000 is the actual capital of the firm. Here we will add 20,000 of general reserve. So it will be 1,70,000. Now the goodwill will be changed. Goodwill will be, in this case, 2 lakh minus 1,70,000, 30,000. In the sum question, goodwill, general reserve may be given. In the sum question, profit and loss account is given. If the profit and loss account is given, it will be also added into this. If profit and loss account debit balance is given, then we will deduct it. Or revaluation profit is given, the revaluation profit will be added. If revaluation loss is given, revaluation loss will be deducted. So by this way, we will find out the value of goodwill. This is over.